Hello and what's up you guys? Today we are going to look into one thing you can do for a side hustle on your business. It only requires a few things. Well, a few simple tools. And you can't be born with a thumb in your hand, because you gotta do some labor, yeah. But first, let's take a coffee and a cinnamon bun. Well, I don't think this was a cinnamon bun, but it sure does look very good. What do you think? Will my channel, well, be more popular if I change that car into something more fun?
Yes.
You think?
Yes. I think you need a GTR in your life.
GTR?
Yes.
They're expensive.
Yeah. But they're fun.
I can buy an R8 for the GTR price.
But then you won't get a GTR.
But they have a V10.
So, you get if you have a GTR, you have a GTR. So what's the problem?
But an R8 is a V10.
So?
V10 is always a V10.
But the V10 is not a GTR.
Talking about cars with a V10, this has not a V10, but
a V6. Or is it a straight 6?
But another car from Italy has V10s. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah. Do you have the money for it?
Maybe.
Not yet. Not yet though.
So, the thing you can do if you're a little bit handyman and have a few tools, that is, you can always change summer tires into winter tires, or winter tires into summer tires, depending on where you live, of course. So, right now we live in Sweden, and now everyone needs to change to winter tires. So that's what we are going to do today. And if you do not know how to change a tire, I will show you. So, the first thing you need is a jack, because without one of these ones, you will not be able to lift up the car. So, before we lift up the car, we need to loose up the bolts. And with that, we need the socket, and this one is 19mm on 19mm bolts. And to loosen up the bolts, you can use one of these things, a wrench, because when you, well, mount this one, you can loosen it. Or you can use an impact wrench. And if you are using a normal wrench, just tighten up everything up here, like a star, like a cross pattern. When everything is tightened, you can lower the car gently and then go not full force, but well, tighten it completely. But in this case, we are having a impact wrench, so we are going to do this while the car is up. And remember the cross pattern. So 5 bolts is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And by cross pattern I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do you think? Happy about the winter tires?
Fuck no.
Aren't they beautiful?
No.
Of course. They're beautiful.
No. Fucking hate those wheels.
And well, you're my customer and my friend, so I can be nice to you and to all you guys.
So
Look at the nuts one more time after 100 kilometers.
Fuck you.
Well, look at the balls.
Yeah, I will. I will look at the balls.
Yeah, balls. So it was a very quick and fast video. Maybe, I don't know. I haven't edited yet, but now you know how to change tires at least. And you can, well, make this as a side hustle for your company or, well, business, or just make a business idea out of this. So, well, if you like the video, well, make a thumb up, consider to subscribe, and well, leave a comment as well. And we are going to clean this mess up here. Oh yes, we have a pink package, and for you guys that are new to channel, a pink package means, well, hold on, it means car care products. And well, I'm super stoked or hyped over this one. It's interior wash mist. You will spray it and it's well supposed to be decontaminate. Shit, that's a hard word. Yeah. It will clean your car and remove all the bacteria and well, viruses and well, it's supposed to do it at least. So I'm super stoked about that one, and well, maybe we can do some test with well, Gion glass cleaner as well, and maybe we can do a test on Gion wet coat as well. And what else do we have here? Well, nothing new, actually, nothing new. So, well, have a good one, and we'll see you guys in the next one, and drive safe.